involved in the beginning, but not, isn't that funny?
Well, the other guy was sleeping.
Yeah, took a good chance to get it in.
She's still tired. Look at her. Oh man, don't let her go down these scales.
Yeah, really too cool.
Spicy actually is very nice and spicy. Found my treat today.
Oh,
spicy lobster.
Yeah. So fine.
I need to watch them. Mine's finally going a playmate, finally, because the cat won't play, so.
Yeah. Do you hear the sound on the floor?
Yeah.
Good job, excellent.
2 points.
She's like, let me up.
Oh my dear, you are so tired.
Do you get down on the mat and do the 1, 2, 3 count?
Yeah.
Do ya?
No.
Oh, we're all gonna go.
Oh.
They're already starting that, huh?
Okay.
They started so young.
Oh, such a man. Come here. Oh, dancing.
Oh.
What on earth? That means that we're feeling dogs.
Oh, yeah.
I mean,
No, it's a natural thing to do, but I wouldn't worry about it.
They're having big time fun.
Yeah, you
There's some really good play going on here.
Yeah.
The mouths are opening, but they're not really. Oh, they're, not a pet.
Oh. Mr. Bull. Yeah, it's a play.
Okay, when I win $10,000 on this video, I'll split it with you.
The girls are beating up the boy. The girls are beating up the boy.
Bo says I'm a lover, not a fighter.
Hey, Bull.
Mine just wants to drink.
Yeah.